And on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be unboxing this new phone that I picked up off of eBay. It is the Motorola V262 if I remember right. I could be wrong though, but I did have the original box and stuff, so let's see. Got V262. The packaging is definitely tight. There we go. I think they taped it to the actual bottom of the box. Yeah. Yeah, see they taped it on the box. It's tough to remove without ripping it. Sweet. Alrighty. I made a mess on the desk. Here is the phone. Let's go and see if it has any charge in it. The battery's pretty bulged up, so yeah. It did show pictures of it turned on, so I know it works, but I'm going to do an unboxing and a follow-up video on this guy soon, so hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.